Welcome to our channel. Today we how to connect Shopify to Mailchimp. Quick tutorial step by step clearly. First, log into your Shopify account. From the Shopify admin dashboard, navigate to the Apps section. Click on Visit the Shopify App Store to search for Mailchimp. In the search bar, type Mailchimp and hit Enter. Select the Mailchimp for Shopify app from the results. Click on the Add App button to initiate the installation process. You may need to grant permission for Mailchimp to access your Shopify store. After installation, go back to the Shopify admin dashboard. Navigate to the Apps section again and select Mailchimp for Shopify. Follow the prompts to connect your Mailchimp account. If you don't have a Mailchimp account, create one by clicking on Sign Up. Once your accounts are connected, you can choose your audience list in Mailchimp. Select the audience where you want your Shopify customers to be added. You can customize the data you want to sync from Shopify to Mailchimp. Make sure to check settings for customer data syncing and automation. After confirming your preferences, click Save or Done. Now you have successfully connected Shopify to Mailchimp. You can start creating email campaigns and using automation features. Monitor how your store's customer data is reflected in Mailchimp. This connection will enhance your marketing efforts significantly. Congratulations on setting up your integration. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.